Okay, Aries, let's see what exciting things are happening in your life in the next 30 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. So, let's see. General reading din to. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay. What are the exciting things happening to you in the next 30 days, Aries? Wow, you have the Magician. So, energy to ng Gemini and Virgo. The Magician is about your power, your abilities, yung mga talents mo, yung mga skills mo. So, I think, in the next 30 days, gagamitin mo yung mga abilidad mo. Maaring meron ka ring matutuklasan na bago mong talento, no? Or mas palalawigin mo yung kaalaman mo. The Magician is also about learning new tricks. So, maaring may mga bago kang skill set na aaralin in the next 30 days. This is also you stepping into your own power. This is manifestation. So, maaring may mga minamanifest ka sa buhay mo na maaring magkatotoo, matupad, no? In the next 30 days. So, surprises talaga to. Maso-surprise ka na lang, andyan na siya. Andyan na yung iyong hinihintay. Wow, you also have the Emperor. So, this is the female version ng Emperor or the feminine version. So, I feel like you are, meron kang leadership role. Meron kang ili-lead na mga tao. Maaring iba sa inyo, merong pag-increase ng inyong sweldo, no? Or, maaring, part ng pag-increase ng sweldo nyo is yung promotion, no, na matatanggap nyo sa trabaho. And mukhang marami kang mga taong mapapasunod, no? Can be anyone na in authority, no? Meron kang katungkulan, pwedeng nasa politics ka, or you are a manager, someone who manages and leads people. Yung iba naman sa inyo can be a business na pamumunuan mo, no? Or project na pamumunuan mo in the next 30 days. You have the Five of Pentacles. So, Five of Pentacles, this is focusing on what is lacking, no? Kung ano yung kulang sa'yo, no? Especially in your finances. So, in the next 30 days, I think magiging aware ka, mas magiging aware ka sa mga bagay na kailangan mong ayusin sa buhay mo, especially in your finances. Kung medyo nagiging magastos ka, in the next 30 days, you will realize na, oops, teka, sumusobra na ang aking paggasto. So, maaring you will finally take control of your finances in the next 30 days. Kasi yung iba mga naka-experience yan ng challenging situation pagdating sa pera. And the Five of Pentacles is about change. Galing sa isang experience na struggling, no, na mahirap. And now, you will realize na, napaka-importante ng pera para magamit mo to improve yourself, to improve your career, your finances, your business, diba? So, let's see what else. You have the Eight of Pentacles. You will be focusing on your work. Focus na focus talaga kayo sa trabaho ninyo at lalo nyong pagbubutihan. Yung iba, you are inclined sa music, arts, yung mga creative stuff, no? Very creative. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, i-explore din yung inyong talent sa pagpipainting, drawing, graphic design, na pwede mong i-monetize. And itong mga butterflies, it symbolize transformation, major change. So, pwedeng merong major change sa inyong career, sa finances nyo, And yung iba, you're going to follow, ifa-follow nyo yung passion ninyo. Kung saan kayo masaya, kung saan kayo mas nag-e-enjoy. Let's see what else. You have the lovers o commitment, exciting things happening in the next 30 days, Aries. Maaring mas magiging committed ka sa relationships mo, connections mo with other people. Yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring may papasuking contract, maaring agreement, no? Can be a business agreement or collaboration, working with other people. And yung iba, meron kayong major decision na kailangan gawin sa inyong relationship. Can be, maaring gusto nyo maging seryoso na, mas maging seryoso na yung takbo ng relationship ninyo. Yung iba, pwedeng ma-engage. So, you have the Seven of Pentacles. This is waiting for fruition. So, I think, no, yung mga nasimulan mo na, no, in the past, mga in-effortan mo, kumbaga mga itinanim mo, ay unti-unti mo na makikita yung resulta niyan, yung kanyang, kumbaga nagtanim ka tapos makita mo umuusbong na or lumalago na. Although wala pa siyang bunga, pero anytime soon pwede na yang mamulaklak at magbunga. Base na yan sa efforts na ibibigay mo, sa energy na ibibigay mo. Okay, so let's see ano pa ang exciting things. Kailangan nyo lang dito ng patience, no? Oo. Para yung makuha nyong resulta is talagang nagdagdaan sa proseso. Hindi siya minadali. You have tandem bicycle. Uy, synchronized. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong katuwang sa buhay, no? Tumutulong talaga sa inyo para ma-achieve yung goal ninyo pareho. This can be a romantic partner, or a family member, or a best friend. You are really partnering with someone. Togetherness, collaboration, working with others. You have fishing pole, self-reliance, autonomy. So I think, yeah, you want to improve yourself. Gusto mo pang mas lalong, mas maging magaling. Oo. Kumbaga, ikaw mismo ang nag-challenge sa sarili mong gawa nung nakaraan. So, sabi nga mas maganda na i-compare mo yung sarili mo dun sa dating ikaw. Na that way, no, hindi ka nakikipag-compete sa ibang tao, but you are competing with yourself para mas lalo mong ma-improve pa yung sarili mo. So, what else? Eclipse. Uy, merong mask. Meron ditong revelation. So maaring marireveal sa'yo yung mga tao na na kailangang ma-reveal. Mga may itinatago sa'yo, no? So, kailangan maging alerto ka dyan. Speak your truth. You have the strength, faith, and conviction in your voice. It has never been more needed. So, mas magiging open ka sa nararamdaman mo, sa naiisip mo. Mas magiging authentic ka. A change is coming, definitely, Aries. You're becoming a better version of yourself. So, syempre, better version, transformation yan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye!